Officers in Georgia arrive at a Bill's outlet after a report of a man actively concealing items, then walks inside the store bathroom. What starts as a simple shoplifting call quickly turns into something much bigger.
Oh, I didn't know there was one coming behind
Yeah, scared you?
So he is in the bathroom right now. He did take a pretty good armload of stuff in there with him. I was back trying to clean off my table full of stuff that wasn't where it was not belong. I literally had to run up here to call our people, but he is still in the bathroom. I don't know, like I said, it was a pretty good armload of stuff that he took.
Okay.
Tell us like a couple of things he took that you know.
Most of it was electronics.
You want press charges?
I'm not supposed to, but I'm sure the store will, because it's probably a good amount of stuff.
It's a yes or no question.
I'm not even supposed to call y'all out here. I just don't want him
We need to know if y'all are gonna press charges before we go contact
to
him.
physically be. I can ask my security office. Let me call them right now and see, and just explain to them that y'all are running by, and I just like call.
Restrooms over there.
What was he wearing?
Only say it's a green backpack with orange. There it is. I saw a black man walking with a backpack. Yeah.
There he goes.
He's going back.
He's in our break room.
Go.
The suspect's trying to run out the back.
Yep.
Team 14,
Hey, stop! Stop! Somebody go on 2nd Street. He's going wearing all gray with a black backpack, running towards apartments. I ain't gonna run there.
Lawful discussion route.
Go get a car.
He's running way over there.
All right. You see him?
I hear him.
Get a car and come bring it here.
Yes, sir. Hey, start a K9.
One for dispatcher. We have a K9 available.
Stand by.
I need a couple cars on Savannah, a couple cars on 2nd Street. Black male wearing all gray with a black backpack.
She said probably though. He's running that direction.
2nd Street?
Yeah, towards 2nd Street. Start him here and just take off.
10-4, we're going to be behind the businesses. We also possibly have a trespassing, shoplifting, and obstruction. Yeah, we just sent our way.
Yeah, he was in the bathroom and about the time.
3150 West, who's pushing that now?
Black male wearing all gray with a black backpack. Yeah. I just want to make sure you're not hiding behind the tree.
No, I heard him running. I saw him go to that back,
Yeah.
and then as soon as I heard the back door open, I heard the siren going off, and he went out. He had just got off the phone with Tino signing his horns too.
There's a hole right here.
10-4. Black male wearing all red.
Right.
You jump and start
Right through here. Shoot. Yeah, he went running this way, so. I got you.
Dispatchers, be advised, we're located back in the woods.
Put your hands up!
Hey. Contact!
Put them up! You get there?
Show me your hands!
Put them up! I got him! Come on in! Come on in! Get it done! Roll over! Shut up! Roll over! Do it now! You're gonna get bit! Roll over!
Rolling over.
Hurry up!
Hey!
Stand up! Hands behind back!
Push your hands behind your back! You will get bit! I'm in a bit. Put it on your back now!
Now!
Watch yourself! Watch yourself!
Get it down!
Shut up!
Oh, 10 minutes.
Shut up! Now!
That damn dog.
Let's go! Shut your mouth!
Get it down the way.
Let's go!
Okay, okay.
It's not my fault you ran and put us in this situation! That's your fault, son!
I can't see.
I don't care! What?
Let's go!
Stop right here. Stop right here. Stop right here. Turn around. Hold up, hold up. Let's get a picture of this crap.
James Pope?
Huh?
Who are you?
James Pope.
James Pope. He has a warrant 99 out of barrel.
Oh, is he really?
Out of barrel.
Hell yeah, brother. Sit down. You good? You think it'd be easier to go that way?
It's raining here. Yeah, somebody pick us up.
Stand up. Walk. Right there to that flashlight.
How many of y'all living?
A bunch of them. Keep walking. Walk over to this car right here.
Man, my ass soaking wet.
Stay right here.
I got an empty kennel.
Don't move.
Yeah.
I just patted him down.
Man, my ass is wet.
I think I got some in there. No. Look at that patch now. I got you.
I got you. Take it around.
Yes.
Woo! Yeah. Little evening jog. That makes y'all look good.
He's not James Pope. You lied to me. You're not James. Are you?
Yeah.
You James Pope?
No.
I was gonna say you look too young to be James Pope. What's your name? I forgot.
Jimmy.
Jimmy Howell. That's fine.
Yeah. No, you asked me, do I know him?
No, we said,
You
are you
catch him.
James Pope? And you said, yeah.
Oh, no.
Catch another charge on that.
What is that charge? False information? Yeah. Okay.
I thought you're too old to run. You told me you're too old to run last time I dealt with you.
Who are you? Let me look at you. Oh, man.
Looking straight, man.
This shit funny, man. Man.
And you do? What do you have in your hands?
Oh, no.
I'm rich
Pull
for
him down. Pull him down. Not my pants. My pants. I was drawing. This goddamn.
He was hiding in a hole. He was hiding in a hole in the water. It was full of water.
You got anything on your hands?
That's the same kind of boots.
Right? That's probably where those came from.
Okay, bro, my name. I'm Jimmy Howell. The sheriff just came looking for me yesterday. Put that goddamn dog on me. Oh, wait a minute.
Bro, you told me to stop. You're not around anymore. Yeah, I did.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Get this one right here. Hey, yo, get this. The right, the left. God damn. Shit. Just the left.
So you have some light?
Ooh, wee. Right here.
Hold on, don't do anything stupid.
That's it. Yeah.
Let's see.
Just like. Woo. Ah. Oh. Yeah.
That's the best I can do.
All right.
That's it. You guys lift up a little bit.
So what am I charged with now? Shoplifting then?
I'll tell you in a second. You're under arrest. I'll tell you if your charges in just 1 second. All right, what you need, bro?
I'm good. You said that. Hey, listen, open that door right here. I mean, window. I'm asthmatic. I shouldn't be running.
All right. So he's asthmatic and he wants the windows out.
Yeah, the windows are open. Shoplifting, obstruction.
Criminal trespass, I mean, he used employees' entrance with it. It's a break room. So he went to unauthorized. He went to an unauthorized entrance of the building.
Criminal trespass, obstruction, shoplifting, possession of drug or drug-related objects.
Yeah. And hopefully nothing else on him.
So there's 4 of them.
That's that I can think of.
Just holler if y'all find something on him.
We will.
Okay.
Come on. Let's
Are you gonna want to press charges?
Well, yeah, they found a ton of packaging. Oh, yeah, he broke a. Oh, yep,
And
he
he's
broke
got
some
stuff
alpha keepers.
on him wherever he was.
That was all on top of the trash can.
Oh, yeah, he broke some alpha keepers.
Sure thing.
You a Titans fan, man? Oh no, man! I just into like thrifting vintage clothes.
Oh, okay.
And it's like
That is an
it's
old
an
school.
early '90s Reebok NFL hat.
Cool.
And it still has the like original.
Yeah, the original sticker on it. That's pretty neat there. Cool. Have a good one. Do you know how much it has to be theft-wise, misdemeanor, or felony?
For shoplifting?
Do you know the price range?
I always get this one confused. For shoplifting is 500.
522.
For what?
Over 500 is felony. Under 500 is misdemeanor. For shoplifting.
So what is shoplifting? It's a theft, right?
Right.
So the charge is theft by shoplifting. Yeah. Right? It's gonna be $1,500.
1500. And then okay, so 500 is for like damage to property.
So
That's what that one is.
Criminal trespass is 500 and less. Criminal damage property is over 500.
Over 500. Okay, I get those two confused.
Yep.
So 1500 for.
So for theft, it has to be $1,500.
Yes, sir.
Unless it's a firearm, obviously.
Right.
Firearms automatic felony.
Tell me approximately how much this costs to fix or buy a new one.
That I don't know.
Just give me an
They're a
estimate.
lot.
They're more than $500.
They're probably less than that.
Okay.
I can tell you that now.
Would it be reasonable to say like $20 per container? Yeah. And then you want him criminal trespassed?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Thank you. I have no questions. Thank you.
You're going to jail for shoplifting, criminal trespass, obstruction, drug-related objects, and littering.
Okay, one more time.
Shoplifting, trespass,
Okay.
obstruction,
Okay.
drug-related objects,
All the misdemeanors or felonies?
misdemeanors.
Huh?
Misdemeanors.
You ain't got no warrants or none of that?
You ain't got no warrants.
The 58-year-old man is charged with 5 offenses. Number 1, theft by shoplifting, which is a felony. Number 2, criminal trespass, which is a misdemeanor. Number 3, obstruction of a police officer, which is a misdemeanor. Number 4, possession of drug-related objects, a misdemeanor. And lastly, unlawful use of an emergency exit, which is also a misdemeanor. He pled guilty to all 5 charges, meaning he accepted full responsibility, no trial was needed, and as a result, the judge handed down a 10-year sentence, with the first 2 years behind bars and the remaining 8 years on strict probation. After he gets out of his 2-year prison sentence, he'll be on probation for 8 years, and if he violates any conditions of his probation, for example, missing a check-in or failing a random drug test, or even getting arrested again, he could be sent back to prison to serve the full remaining 8 years. At the time of his theft, he was already a convicted felon. As always, let me know your honest thoughts down below in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey, stop! Stop! Hey, with the black tap back. Running towards apartments. I ain't gonna run there.
Come on in. Get it done. Shut up. Roll over. Do it now. You're gonna get bit. Roll over.
Rolling over.
Hurry up.
Hey!
Stand up. Hands behind back.
Push your hands behind your back. You will get bit.
minute, bitch. Put him out and back down! Now! Watch yourself, watch yourself.
Get his dog.
Shut up!
Oh, 10 minutes.
Shut up! Now!
Let's go.
Shut your mouth!
Get the dog away.
Let's go!
Okay, okay.
It's not my fault you ran, you put us in this situation. That's your fault, son!